Hello, welcome to AI Factory. Step into the dazzling world of AI virtual influencers. In my previous tutorial titled, How to Monetize AI Influencers Using Free AI Tools, full course, no skills required, $10,000 a month, I showcased a tool that has garnered significant viewer interest and enabled many fans to successfully create AI influencers. Today, we're diving into how AI is crafting stunning digital personas that are captivating audiences and taking over social media platforms from Instagram to beyond. In this video, I'll introduce you to a new AI tool that boasts better effects, easier operation, minimal computer requirements, and is almost free to use. If you're intrigued, stick around here. Let's start. The realism of these images is truly astonishing. At a glance, it's hard to distinguish whether they are real people or generated by AI. Such lifelike quality is achieved through a technology called Stable Diffusion. However, using Stable Diffusion typically demands a high-performance computer setup and can be time-consuming to process, which might deter many users. Today, I'll introduce you to a platform called Tensor Art. This website incorporates various Stable Diffusion models, allowing you to generate images without any heavy demands on your computer's hardware. Most importantly, Tensor Art offers a generous trial quota, making it virtually free to use. Simply click the upper right corner to sign in and choose your preferred method. Tensor Art offers free users 100 credits daily, which refresh every 24 hours. Typically, generating an image costs about 1 to 3 credits. Thus, 100 credits per day are ample for trial purposes. If you find you need more credits, you have the option to upgrade to the Pro version, which offers flexible subscription periods. You can choose from a single day, 30 days, 90 days, or even a year-long subscription. Next, I'll demonstrate how to use Tensor Art to generate an AI influencer. On the homepage, you'll see a variety of artworks from other users. First, click on Post. Here, select Realistic to view many impressive images. If you want to create an image in a similar style, simply click on Style and choose one that you like. Move your mouse to the upper right corner of the image where you'll find a Remix button. This allows you to create an image in the same style. Click on it to enter the image generation page. On the left, you'll see various settings pre-filled based on the image you selected. Now, click Generate. On the right, you can watch the image being created. In my experience, it usually takes about 10 seconds to generate, which is quite fast. There you go. It's done. Does the style match the template we selected? Only minor adjustments have been made to the poses and clothing colors. To perfectly match the original image, input the seed value from the original settings when you regenerate it. I also advise creating multiple images in one go, as AI influencers often need an array of images for their postings. Of course, AI influencers shouldn't be limited to just a handful of actions or outfits, right? To make them appear more lifelike, we need to diversify their scenes. This involves changing their poses and backgrounds. In this segment, I'll show you 3 ways to achieve this. Method 1. Modify the prompt directly. If you're looking to make simple adjustments based on the original prompt, you can easily do so right here. I've just updated the prompt by changing the jacket color to green and adding a necklace. You can now see the changes on the new screen. Method 2. Create prompts from images. Suppose you come across a stunning image online. Be it the makeup, hairstyle, or outfit, the overall vibe is perfect. If you want to recreate this look with your own AI influencer, click this icon to analyze the image for prompts. After you upload your image, Tensor Art will automatically generate a corresponding prompt based on it. Let's use this new prompt to create something exciting. Wow, this beautiful girl perfectly blends Western and Eastern facial features. I love it. Method 3. Randomly generate prompts. Do you ever find it challenging to come up with prompts? No worries with Tensor Art. Just click the dice icon in the upper right corner of the prompt box to generate random prompts. It's especially handy if you're feeling a bit lazy. If the results don't quite satisfy you, you can continue switching until you find one that does. Let's generate using a random prompt. Additionally, you can specify actions for your influencer, like making them run. To do this, simply select and add ControlNet to the model and find Open Pose. Here, you'll discover a variety of poses to choose from. You can even upload a photo and have your generated influencer mimic the pose in your uploaded image. Take some time to experiment and have fun with it. Does my generated influencer replicate the pose from the reference image I just uploaded? After the image is generated, we can fine-tune it with a few adjustments. Adjustment 1. HD Repair. If you want a higher resolution image, click on the upscaler icon. Here, you can choose from different magnifications to adjust the pixels, or you can customize the settings. The default repair method is usually sufficient, but you can adjust it based on your needs. Most other settings typically don't need changes. Once set, click Generate to obtain an HD image. Additionally, there's an After Detailer function, perfect for refining specific areas like the face, hands, and body. This is especially useful when the AI isn't stable and anomalies like 6 fingers appear. For instance, if you want to change the expression of the girl in the image to a smile, simply select a facial model, type smile in the prompt, and generate. Compare these two images. One features a slight smile. If you want to adjust the settings of a specific image on the left panel, select the image you are interested in and click the Send to Image icon. This will bring all the settings of that image back to the left panel. Another useful feature is Adjust Local Redraw. For instance, if you need to add or replace something in the picture, you can use the In Paint function. For example, to add text or a logo to this image, first click on Edit Mask in the left panel and paint over the area you want to modify. Then, enter the necessary changes in the prompt, hit Confirm, and generate the updated image. Beyond creating digital influencer images, Tensor Art boasts a range of capabilities, including producing diverse image animations. It also offers numerous open-source models that are certainly worth exploring. The images we just generated actually utilize the effects of one or more models. You can easily change the model for your image. For example, I'll choose an image with an anime style and apply our previous prompt to see the effect. I find the AI tools in Tensor Art particularly interesting. For instance, there's a face swap tool that can transform photos into Pixar or cartoon styles. There are also many channels on social media for customized AI cartoon images, which are almost completely free to use. Feel confident in trying them out. Let me briefly introduce the interface of Tensor Art. This is the workbench interface everyone uses to generate images. If you accidentally close it, don't worry. You can easily reopen it by clicking Create at any time. Many of you possess strong hands-on skills and can create your own AI tools. In Tensor Art, the AI Tools feature is essentially a comfy UI workflow. Indeed, you can build and debug your own AI workflow as needed. The level of control is very high. So, if you're interested in creating one yourself, simply click on the workflow mode here to start a new one. Here, you have the option to download the app. The functionality is identical to the computer version, but with added convenience. You can select your preferred language settings from the options available under the avatar. Additionally, there is a toggle for adult content. If you enable this switch, the content becomes explicit. In Tensor Art, you can earn money by uploading your own models. If other users utilize your models, you'll have the opportunity to generate income based on the frequency of their usage. Alternatively, you can explore more AI tutorials on my channel to discover the best strategies for maximizing your earnings. If you enjoyed this video, please give it a thumbs up and subscribe. Your support motivates me to create more high-quality videos. Follow my channel to turn learning into earning. See you in the next one.